Hello friends, once again welcome back to your big guy channel. In this video you will learn something new Excel tricks which 99% Excel user they do not know about. So here we have a name of all 12 months and we need to make different sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2 with these names. So basically most people will do, they will make another sheet by using this plus and simply they will type here like this Jan, but basically what I need here is dash 24 as well. So I need the name like this. So simple way of doing it, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it without following this simple format. Okay, so there is a very simple way of doing it. So first of all what you need is you can type a simple formula equals select, press end symbol and double quotes. We need to get this symbol, so we have to put it under double quotes, comma, which is dash. You need to put what? End 24. So we are joining two things with end. Okay, so this is simple end formula. That is the formula. Press enter. Yes, and now drag it down. So all will have the same. So this is what we needed. Okay, earlier. So what you need to do now, you can do it. Okay, how? I will show you in a moment. So but before that I want to show you that there is another way of doing it. How? Let's delete it. I'm going to delete this. There's other way of doing it. You can simply take dash and 24 and just drag it down, and you can simply window D, control D, you can simply use the function. No need to put any formula, just type here Jan dash 24 and now press Ctrl E from your keyboard like this. All is done, but now here it's 24 is coming first, doesn't matter. So that's what we needed. Okay, otherwise you can do one more thing. There's another formula, so I'm going to give you another trick which is equals concatenate. So in concatenate formula you need to choose text 1, comma, choose text 2. If you choose text 2 there will be no space between, just press enter. You see Jan dash 24. So you got this. So either way you can do it anywhere you want. If I delete this, it will be deleted all. See, no reference. Now we're going to put again the same formula equals this and double quotes dash double quotes comma, and we need example 2024, or instead of 24 we say 2024 and yes, so we need the data like that. So we got this data right here. Now how we will make them in the sheet, it's coming up. So now before that we need to copy this data and paste it here. Right click and paste as value only. Now you can delete this. So you have the data here. What you need to do, simply select the data, go to insert tab and pivot table. When you click on pivot table, it will show the dialog box like this. You can create in the next or new worksheet, click OK. So here you have a pivot table. Here you need to select the month, it goes to row, bring it to filter. When you bring it to the filter, you go here in the options, the first option, and show report filter pages. Okay, when you click like this, it will ask OK. Yes, you need to show OK. So here we are, August, December, February, January, July, Jan, everything is come here. Okay, so the data is here. Now everything else we have here. That's what we were looking for. Okay, so you got this. So this is the simple way of doing it, how we can make sheets for each month in a simple way and fastest way. And now active field, instead of month you can even write year. See, it will change to the year. Okay, so that is it about this video. Before you go somewhere, just check this out. If you want to insert any picture, go to insert, click on picture, and here are the pictures. Okay, so example, if I take this picture, insert. So this is my book available on Kindle, 379 rupees only. So you can buy. This is the marketing. All right, and go format, you can choose any format of the picture, any border, anywhere you can put it. So this is how you can put pictures as well in Excel. So that's it about this video, guys. Hope you like it. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time. Bye bye.